Have you ever looked at someone and just wondered, where do they get all that energy? They seem to have powerful muscles, incredible stamina, and just keep going, even without spending every waking hour in the gym. What if I told you the secret to unlocking that kind of physical power could be hiding right in your kitchen? It's not some expensive supplement or a complicated diet plan. It's two simple, everyday foods: ginger and tomato. That's right, this humble, all-natural combination can do absolute wonders for your strength, your endurance, and your overall energy levels. It sounds almost too simple to be true, doesn't it? But stick with me, and I'll show you the science behind how this duo can transform your body's performance. Let's start with ginger. We all know it's great for adding a spicy kick to our meals, but its benefits go way beyond flavor. Ginger is one of the most powerful natural boosters for your body's performance. Think of it as an internal ignition switch. When you consume ginger, it doesn't just sit there. It gets to work, activating your circulation, which is crucial for physical activity. The active compounds in ginger, particularly a substance called gingerol, are the real heroes here. Gingerol helps to gently open up your blood vessels. This process, known as vasodilation, allows for better blood flow throughout your body. Why is that important? Better blood flow means more oxygen and more nutrients are delivered directly to your muscles, exactly when they need it most. It's like upgrading the fuel delivery system for your body's engine. This enhanced delivery system allows your body to perform at a higher level during any physical activity. But that's not all. Ginger is also a fantastic ally for muscle recovery. It helps reduce that post-workout soreness and fatigue, getting you back on your feet faster. It gives your body that extra push when your energy reserves are running low. If you've ever hit that afternoon slump or felt drained after a workout, ginger could be the natural pick-me-up you need. And for the guys watching, there's another fascinating benefit. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of ginger can support healthy testosterone levels naturally. Testosterone is a key hormone that plays a massive role in building strength, maintaining stamina, and promoting muscle growth. By supporting healthy levels, ginger helps your muscles repair more efficiently after exercise and keeps your energy high all day long. It's no wonder so many athletes and fitness enthusiasts around the world have made ginger a staple in their daily routines. It truly is nature's own energy booster. Now, let's turn our attention to the other half of this dynamic duo, the tomato. It might seem like a simple, common vegetable, but don't let its appearance fool you. Tomatoes are packed with an arsenal of nutrients that fuel your body from the inside out. They are incredibly rich in lycopene, the antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color. But lycopene does more than just make them look good. It's a powerful protector for your body. Tomatoes are also loaded with potassium and vitamin C. This combination is a powerhouse for your circulatory system. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and muscle contractions, while vitamin C is essential for the health of your blood vessels. Together, they improve blood flow and protect your muscles from oxidative stress, which is the damage caused by intense physical activity. This protection is crucial for enhancing your endurance. Lycopene, in particular, plays a special role in supporting your heart health. A healthier, more efficient heart can pump oxygen and nutrients to your muscles more effectively. And what do your muscles need for sustained power and stamina? Exactly that, a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. So, while you're pushing your limits, the nutrients from the tomato are working behind the scenes to keep your engine running smoothly and powerfully. So, we have ginger, the circulation booster and recovery aid, and we have tomato, the muscle protector and endurance enhancer. They're great on their own, but when you combine them, something truly amazing happens. It's like a perfect synergy. Ginger gets the blood flowing and boosts your metabolism, creating the perfect environment for your body to perform. Then, the tomato comes in with its antioxidants and nutrients to feed your muscles and support long-lasting endurance. Together, they create a natural, potent formula that strengthens your muscles, improves your stamina, and helps your body perform at its absolute best. This isn't just for elite athletes or bodybuilders. This is for anyone who wants to feel more capable in their body, whether you're working out, playing sports with your kids, or just want to get through a busy day without feeling completely drained. So, how can you easily incorporate this into your life? It's incredibly simple. Here's a quick and effective recipe. Take one ripe, juicy tomato and a small piece of fresh ginger, about the size of your thumb. Wash them well, chop them up, and toss them into a blender. Blend them until smooth, and drink this powerful mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. The taste is surprisingly refreshing and zesty, and it works like a natural tonic to wake up your entire system. Many people who try this report feeling a noticeable difference within just a few days. They experience more sustained energy, better mental focus, and a definite improvement in their physical performance. There's another great benefit to this combination. It can help reduce the buildup of lactic acid in your muscles. Lactic acid is what causes that burning sensation during intense exercise and contributes to muscle fatigue. By helping to clear it out more efficiently, This ginger-tomato blend means you'll feel less tired during your activities and recover much faster afterward. Imagine your body becoming more resilient. Your stamina gradually increases, not because of a temporary jolt from caffeine or sugar, but because your body is genuinely healthier and more efficient. Your strength builds up naturally and sustainably, without any strange chemicals, artificial boosters, or expensive supplements. So, if you're looking for a real, lasting way to feel stronger, last longer, and perform better in all aspects of your life, the answer is waiting in your kitchen. Just add this simple combination of ginger and tomato to your daily diet. Nature has already created the perfect recipe for energy and power. All you have to do is be consistent and let it work its magic. Remember, true stamina and strength don't come from sugary energy drinks or mysterious pills. They come from nourishing your body with real, natural foods that fuel you the right way. Give this a try and see how you feel. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, more energetic life. We'd love to hear about your experience, so drop a comment below and let us know if you try the ginger and tomato booster. See you in the next video.